It looks like an ordinary place. A country garden. But something weird is going on. Hedgehogs are on the prowl. Not for food or for mates, but for strange smells. Like these cans of turpentine. And when the hedgehogs smell something intriguing, they lick it up. Turpentine is hazardous to humans, but hedgehogs have a strong resistance to toxins. Other hedgehogs find a dropped pack of cigarettes and start to munch on the tobacco. What comes next is even stranger. They lather up and spread it all over their spines. It might take a while to cover all 5,000